Good morning. This is 11.4 using addition to subtract tens. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do today's challenge.
Factoid. As long as there have been people, there have been toys for them to play with. Archaeologists have found toys that may be 57,000 years old.
Communicate ideas. Which costs more, the puzzle or the airplane? Compare the costs using greater than or less than. Tell how you know which costs more.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to look at the cost of the puzzle. The puzzle costs 41 cents, and we need to look at the cost of the airplane. The airplane costs 34 cents. And we know that we need to look at the tens place to see if the numbers are the same or if the numbers are different. If the numbers are the same, we know we need to move to the ones place. If the numbers are different, we know we can compare the numbers in the tens place. So we see that the puzzle costs 41 cents and the airplane costs 34 cents. Can anyone tell me which one costs less? Yes, the airplane costs less because the airplane has a 3 in the tens place and the puzzle has a 4 in the tens place. So how would we write that? We would write 34 is less than, let me not forget my cents, 34 cents is less than 41 cents. So that is our answer. Okay, let's move on to our visual learning.
You can use addition to help subtract tens. Find 70 minus 50. If you needed to solve 8 minus 5 equals, you could write the addition equation 5 plus equals 8. What addition equation would you write to help you solve 70 minus 50?
What addition equation can we use to help us find 70 minus 50?
You would write the addition equation 50 plus equals 70. How can you solve this equation by using the number line? You can count on by tens from 50 to 70. Count by tens to find the missing number. 50, 60, 70. How many tens did you count on from 50 to 70?
Select your answer.
Did we count on 2 tens, 3 tens, or 4 tens? Let's count. 1, 2. So our answer would be 2 tens.
You counted on 2 tens. You counted on 2 hops of 10 on the number line. 10 plus 10 equals 20. You need to add 20 in all. What is the missing addend in the addition equation?
If we counted 2 tens, what is our missing addend? 2 tens equals what? Let's try it together. That's 1 10, so we added a 10. That's 2 tens. So 2 tens equals 20.
20 is the missing addend. 50 plus 20 equals 70. So what is 70 minus 50? Use the missing addend to solve the subtraction problem. 50 plus 20 equals 70. So 70 minus 50 equals 20. Since the addition and subtraction equations are related, you know that the equations have the same numbers and 20 is the missing number in both equations.
Now you know how to use addition to help subtract tens.
Okay, one last thing before I let you guys start practicing on your own. Let's go to solve and share. So we know, just like in class, the solve and share. Oh no, not solve and share. Yes, we're gonna do solve and share. All right. Mia has 70 stickers. Jack has 30 stickers. How many more stickers does Mia have than Jack? So here Mia has 70 stickers. Jack has 30 stickers. We can take, to put it in our subtraction, we know we put our biggest number first. 70 minus 30. Okay, so let's go over here and let's use our tools. We are going to take 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we are going to take away, because Jack has 30 stickers, we're going to take away 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 4 tens left. And if we have 4 tens left, how much does that equal? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 70 minus 30 equals 40. So 30 plus 40 equals 70. So that means Mia has 40 more stickers than Jack. Okay, let's go to our practice. Okay, so here we have 40 plus 40 equals 80. So 80 minus 40 equals 40. And you can use your number line and you can count, you can jump by tens. And then you'll see that 4 tens equals 40. So let's try number 2 together. 30 plus a number equals 90. So 90 minus 30 equals a number. Now, Miss Bartman can't write on this one, but if we have 9 tens and we take away 3 tens, let me hold up your fingers, hold up 9 fingers and take away 3, you should have 6 fingers left. And if you have 6 fingers left, we know that 6 equals 60. So 90 minus 30 equals 60, or 30 plus 60 equals 90. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.